To customize forms in Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by logging in to your account using your Microsoft credentials. Once logged in, you will be taken to a page that may resemble the Sales Hub. From there, navigate to the settings and then select Advanced Settings. This will direct you to a new page, likely opening on the Business Management section. To proceed, click on the Settings option. Then select the drop-down arrow. Next, choose Customization, and then click on Customizations. You will be presented with a few options. Select Customize the System to open a new page. Within the Customizations section, you will find Entities. Click on this to access a list of available entities. Select the desired entity, then click on Forms to access the customization options. With these options, you can tailor your forms according to your needs.